Hello traders, today is the 6th of February 2013. At the time 6th of February 2013, at the time in London is 23:40 p.m. In New York is 18:40 p.m. Happy trading to you all. New York is now closed. Okay. Uh, this video is about flat correction tips. Okay, a flat correction is an Elliott wave pattern. There are 13 Elliott wave pattern, but there are also 13 stochastic pattern talking about the 2-4 Elliott wave patterns. Okay, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW traders. Let's get started. Okay, we are looking at the pound dollar currency pair, though we are using the currency pair here. This strategy is valid for stock, for commodity, for crude oil, for gold, for any financial instrument. Okay, pound dollar currency pair on the weekly chart, very important. Looking on our left hand side, very important, as I explained to traders, the guidelines when we are dealing with Elliott wave, we must always look on the left hand side. What has happened before? All right, because if you don't know what has happened before, or if you do not understand what has happened before, you are likely to misinterpret the language of the price. What has happened before? Okay, on this weekly chart, we can see that the price went down fast. You see, there was a bearish move. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. And then we have a consolidation, okay, in a blue channel, in a blue triangle here. And then a breakout, and a price run to this level here. This is, okay, an impulsive move, price run fast, okay. Now, this impulsive move, there is a correction here. The price pulled back, okay. So, this move from here to here, the price pulled back to this level here, which is between 50% and 61.8%. Okay, Fibonacci retracement levels. Using our Fibonacci retracement level, I want to draw a line at the 50% and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. These are the criteria for the flat correction. We have a classic flat correction. We have a running flat correction. Also, we have an expanded flat correction. I'm going to call out the 50% Fibonacci retracement level in blue, okay, and I will call out the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level into red. Okay, we can see that the price after coming out of the triangle, okay, the price pull back to the between 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level right here. So there is a, by the way, I want to tell traders that there will be a new page, a brand new page posted at www.24elliottwaves.com. That brand new page will be called Flat Correction. I will post on that page 6 unique trading video which will focus only on the flat corrections. Okay, so to give you a taste of that new page that we'll post there, note it down and stay tuned. Okay, by the end of this week I will put that page on www.24elliottwaves.com. So we see that if you watch the video there, you will see more about the flat correction. So price pull back to 50% and 61.8%. In this scenario, we will remove, after we know the retracement, we will now use Fibonacci extension or Fibonacci projection. Is the same thing, which means we want to know where the B correction will go to. So there is a move from here to here, and that move has been corrected, which means people took profit between 50 and 61.8% profit they took from the move from here to here. When we see something like this, the first thing that is coming to our mind is a flat correction. The flat correction will always take place after what? A strong uptrend or a strong downtrend. It's a kind of uptrend here on the weekly chart. For 5 weeks, the price went up, okay, bullishly after a downtrend. So downtrend, consolidation, breakout again. All right, you see. So the price pull back. So when the price pull back to the 50%, 61.8%, we are thinking of a flat correction. The B corrective wave, because from here to here, that's the B corrective, that's the A corrective wave. From here to here, that's the A corrective wave. we will expect the B correction, which is starting from here, to go into the zone of 1 to 7% Fibonacci extension zone, even to the 138% Fibonacci extension zone. In this case, we can see clearly on this weekly chart that the pound-dollar currency pair went up to the 1 to 7. Can I draw the line there? Okay, let's draw a line again there. I will color it into black. That's the 1 to 7 Fibonacci extension level. And the next level above that, that's the 138. It couldn't reach the 138% Fibonacci extension level, but the price did turn around in the zone of 1 to 7, the black line here, that's the 1 to 7. You see right here, stop. So we will say this is a flat correction taking place. If we see the B corrective move, okay, going above the starting point of the A corrective wave, okay, the first thing that is coming to our mind, okay, we are thinking of okay, an expanded flat correction or okay, a running flat correction. But as the price is here, we cannot, okay, moment please, I'm trying to do something, but we cannot tell straight away whether it's going to be a running flat correction or an expanded flat correction. There is a way you can find out also, but I will keep quiet now because I don't want the video to be too long. As I explained to you, you will check the new page that I'm going to post on our web page, okay? When I went to the 1 to 7, we will think of, okay, a running flat correction or an expanded flat correction. The running flat correction will fail. The running flat correction will fail to go below the end of the A corrective wave. The expanded flat correction will go below the end of the A corrective wave. The C corrective wave, let's color the B corrective wave first. Color it also into green. That's the B corrective wave from here to here. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy with some traders that are, okay, getting into the mode of the TSTWSY S008 trading system, because it's not a magic formula, as I explained to traders. It's a trading tool. We are focusing on the traders. Our goal is to do better today than yesterday. We know that some trader will criticize what we are trying to do, but we focus on the goal to do better today than yesterday. And trader that stay with us, which means if you are TSTW trader, okay, please spend time, watch the video on your website from time to time, steadily. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/24elliottwave.com. Subscribe also to our second YouTube channel, www.24elliottwave.com, okay, .com/okay, Joe Trio. These two channels are important because that's where we are talking to traders. Also, add us to your Google Plus account. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter, so you will know. This is about understanding. Once you understand the language of the price, once you understand how the market functions using the trading triangle, you will see that the TSTW trading tools are powerful trading tools. It's not a trading robot. It's not a trading software. Let people talk. We continue with the work. We focus on the action, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we are doing here. So now, as the price, that's what we are doing again here. Stay with us as we are doing this. So as the C corrective wave, which is from this point down to where we are now, has started, we will think of a running correction, which will mean the running correction will fail to go below the end of the A corrective wave. And in the case of an expanded flat correction, we'll expect it to break below the end of the A corrective wave. So you see some traders took profit as the price was coming. You see this green candle here. Well, as the price was approaching the end of the A corrective wave, traders that were thinking of these are cautious traders because they know that they can have a running flat correction or an expanded flat correction. So as the price was approaching the end of the A corrective wave, they took some profit. That's this candle here. But you see, it was followed quickly by a bearish candle, this one, going below, almost below, in the zone of the end of the A corrective wave. We are watching it now, so we will be thinking now, yes, it's likely to be an expanded flat correction. All right? At this point in time, we will be saying, yes, there's a high channel, it will push it down. And here we are now. How far the C corrective wave will go? Now, the next thing that we'll use, ladies and gentlemen, my role or our role is, okay, to explain to traders, to assist traders to use our trading tool more accurately. If you are a lazy trader, or if you don't want to develop the mindset of a professional trader, please stay away from the TST trading tool. Otherwise, you will be disappointed and you'll be saying that TST does not work. It does work. All right. So, by the way, I'm very impressed with some traders, how they are getting into the mood of what we are trying to do. I see them going to our website. I see them following us on YouTube. I wish this trader the best in their trading. All right. So now the C quality wave has started here. I'll color it also into black. Okay. How far it will go. Okay. How far? So we will be thinking first to the running flag correction, and we will take some profit here. See, approaching here because we don't know what's going to happen next. As you break below it, we want to know how far it can go. How do we handle, okay, this C quality wave, okay? How far it can go. The next thing that is coming to our mind, this is about the Fibonacci pattern now. So from the flat correction, we are thinking now about, okay, a Fibonacci pattern, okay? All right? Now, I don't want to dwell too long on this subject. I will say to you, the first target for the C corrective wave in the expanded flat correction is in a zone of 1 to 7%, okay, Fibonacci extension to the downside for the okay, the impulsive wave from here to here. You see, this is the starting point. This is the wave that is corrected. This move from here to here, it's being corrected by the A, B, C. So we will expect, in just to cut long story short, or to avoid that the video is too long, we will expect, in the case of the expanded flat correction, that the C corrective wave to go, okay, to the 1 to 7 Fibonacci extension of this okay, move here. This is where everything has started. So instead of drawing from here to here, we draw it normal as we will do for a retracement, and because the C is going down, we will see the 1 to 7 to the downside. The 1 to 7 is right here. This is the 1 to 7. I will color it, okay, into orange. I hope you can see on my chart. So that will be, okay, our first conservative zone for the C corrective wave. The next thing I will say to traders, very, very important, all right? In the case of the expanded flat correction, you can see that I'm a bit excited because, ladies and gentlemen, today has been a special day. In the case of the expanded flat correction, ladies and gentlemen, which means the C correction taking the low of the A corrective wave, usually the C correction will erase, okay, will be almost 100% of the initial move. This is the initial move. You understand? Because the price went up to here, and we are now having correction. That correction is A, B, C. In the case of the in the case of the expanded flat correction, the C very often will be 100% of the initial move. If you do not understand it, replay the video over and over. If you have any question, those who are TST trader, contact me and I will explain it to you more. Very often in the expanded flat correction, the C correction will be 100% of the initial move. You see, this is the initial move. 100% we'll expect it to come into this zone. Some traders will take profit straight away here instead of the 1 to 7, okay, projection level to the downside. All right, so this is a hot spot trading zone for those who are using the TSTWSY S008 trading system. Pay attention, we are friends, okay? That's why I'm telling you this. This is a zone where very often we will see a cycle, a new cycle. Very often will start at the end of the correction. There was an up move. That up move has been corrected. Now, at this point in time, we will expect a new bullish cycle to begin. Before you get too excited and start placing a buy, okay, trade, a bullish trade, you want to check if this, for instance, this is a stock, okay? If this was a stock, you want to check the balance sheet, the cash flow, check the sector, check the market, the S&P 500. Those who are trading currency, what is the market indicator for currency? Is crude oil. If you are trading currency, you must pay attention to crude oil. What is the leading currency pair? Is the Euro USD. You see, so you want to pay attention to all this and use the trading triangle. So at this point in time where we are now, we will expect the pound dollar to resume a move to the upside. Now, sometimes trader will get into trouble because they will place a trade to buy, or a cycle may begin and they will join the cycle at the early stage. TSTW SYS008 traders understand this. When the cycle has begun, the cycle goes through different stages and you will reach maturity. Because orders need to be filled first, sometimes you'll see ups and downs, cycle may fail, cycle may resume, because order needs to be filled. Economy news, the leaders can change the dynamics of the market. So to avoid, ladies and gentlemen, to avoid making mistakes, what do we do in this point? I'm going to go now, okay, to a very crowded time frame, 4 hours chart, where a lot of traders, okay, very often will be playing with the slow stochastic, oversold, buy, okay, overbought, sell on the 4 hour chart. A lot of a crazy trading system, trading robot in the market right now that only you're using the stochastic buy, sell. I mean, if they have excellent money control, why not? Money management is up to them. Okay, that's okay. All right. I can't impose my trading style on these people, but I can talk about it on YouTube. We are allowed to do that. So at this point in time, I'm going to switch now for a very crowded time frame, the 4 hour chart. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, the most important trading tool is the trader. I'm happy that some traders, okay, agree with me on this. And I've seen some traders will come in, they will be wondering what all this is about, but then they will say, George, let's do it together. And they will send me charts, they will ask questions. These are the traders that we are looking for. The troubling thing for myself when I go to bed is that I don't want anybody that is not able to follow the program to buy any TSTW. I'm very, very strict about it. Maybe in the future we will change, okay, the condition for somebody who want to buy the TST trading tool. All right, maybe they have to take some tests, and if they fail a test, they don't buy it. Full stop. We are not here to make money out of traders. We are here to train traders. Next step. So we are here because we are thinking to buy. What do you need? Draw a warning line. This will save you all sort of problems. So you draw your warning line. I will put it in pink. This is my warning line. So I will say to myself, priority to bullish signal above the pink line, which means if the price goes below the pink line, I'm not going to be very, very excited to buy. If I'm buying below my pink line, I will be very, very cautious. So I put for myself a warning line. So I want to enter the cycle above the pink line. Whenever you're going to enter a bullish trade, ask yourself, where is the next resistance level? Because the price is moving from one support level to the next resistance level. Ladies and gentlemen, it can take a trader up to 4 years, okay, to mature. Traders are making all sorts of mistakes, and we see very often sometimes traders will go and buy a trading system because in fact they are not looking for a trading system. That's why recently we posted a video on YouTube about what is a trading system. All right, so sometimes trader will contact me. I will refer them to that video so they watch it first, so they know the difference between a trading system and a trading robot, because we do not want somebody that wants a trading robot to purchase the TSTW. All right, the performance of one trader compared to another is different because every trader is different. I see you all the time, and I will keep doing, okay, what we are doing here. So I have my warning line here on my 4 hour chart, a very crowded time frame. Priority to bullish signal above my pink line. If it stay below, so I will come out. Okay, so I want to see higher lows, higher high above my pink line. And if I'm going to enter a bullish trade, I don't want to enter it right in front of resistance level. You see now? I hope it makes sense, and this is also powerful. This is a quick video about okay, flat correction tips for TSTW traders. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW SYS008 traders. Speak to you soon.